Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to use the equation editor in Google Docs. First, open the Google Docs document where you want to add your equation. You can use an existing document or create a new one. Once it's loaded, click in the document exactly where you want the equation to appear. You'll see your cursor blinking at that spot. Now, head up to the top menu bar and click on Insert. A drop-down menu will appear with a bunch of options. Look for Equation and click it. You'll see two things happen straight away. An equation box appears in your document where your cursor was, and a new toolbar shows up just below the main toolbar at the top. Look at this equation toolbar. You'll see several drop-down menus across it. Greek letters, miscellaneous operations, relations, math operations, and arrows. Each one contains symbols and templates for building your equation. To build your equation, click on any of those drop-downs to browse the symbols. When you click a symbol, it gets inserted straight into your equation box. The Math Operations drop-down is particularly useful because it has templates for things like fractions, square roots, and brackets. These insert with placeholder fields that you can fill in. You can also just type numbers and basic operators directly from your keyboard. You can also use LaTeX-style shortcuts to work faster. Type a backslash, then the name of the symbol you want, and hit space. For example, \alpha space will give you the alpha symbol. For exponents, type a caret symbol, then your number, like b(2) for b squared. Use an underscore for subscripts. Keep adding symbols, numbers, and operators until your equation looks the way you want it. Once you're done building your equation, press Enter, or just click anywhere outside the equation box. The equation finalizes and sits in your document like any other element. If you want to add another equation right away, there's a New Equation button in the toolbar. Just click that instead of going back through the Insert menu. If the equation toolbar is taking up space and you're finished with equations, you can hide it. Go to View in the top menu bar and uncheck Show Equation Toolbar. It disappears straight away. You can bring it back anytime by ticking that option again. Tips. To edit an equation you've already created, just click on it. The equation editor and toolbar come back instantly. If you're working with multiple equations in a document, keep the toolbar visible rather than hiding and re-enabling it each time. And remember, the keyboard shortcut to open the equation editor directly is Alt+I, then E on Windows, or Option+I, then E on Mac. Thanks for watching.